lovely weather today. Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to test drive another electric car. It's called Kia ev6. I absolutely love that car. I saw that a few times on the road and I just have a proper road presence. So today me and wifey we're going to test drive this car and to see what's the fuss about, what this car is like. So today's vlog is all about Kia ev6. Let's go. Hello Tesla. So after a long 20-minute drive, we reached to Kia's showroom in Slough. And as expected, there are plenty of new cars in the Kia's showroom. But we are here to talk about this bad boy, Kia ev6. Oh my god, this car looks gorgeous in this color. Front of the car looks like a tiger nose and it is very striking. It's very good looking car, but the front grille they call it a digital tiger nose. I mean, what? From the side angle, this car looks amazingly beautiful with these black sills. Back of the car looks very cool with this full length light bar. Personally, I really like the design of the back of the car because it looks very unique and very different. The size of the alloy rims on this car is 21 inch and they really stand out with the design of the car. They look really nice actually. Boot space on Kia ev6 is 490 liters with the rear seats in place and 1260 liters with them folded down. It's a pretty big boot space. But unfortunately there's no extra space underneath just like Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Plenty of space at the back seats and there's no hump in the middle so you can slide in between very easily. Also, the leg space is pretty good, but the head space is not that great. So if you are 6 feet long, then you're in trouble. Air vents on both side pillars and charging ports on both sides of the front seats. So people can charge their phone easily at the back seats. Also, the interior quality on the back doors is not compromised at all. They look really premium. I really love the cockpit of this car. The gloss black trims, the soft touch interior, it's very spacious. Quality of the interior is very good as well. Gear selector is a rotator, which I really like. Steering wheel is amazing with all the needed options in it. Under the armrest there is plenty of storage and different charging ports like USB and USB-C. To be honest, the infotainment system is not that responsive as it should be, but it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Climate control buttons are touch sensitive, but they are okay. But the temperature can be changed by rotating the knobs. Display is very bright and clear and it gives you all the information which you need. And also this car comes with a sunroof and it looks amazing. This particular model I'm testing is 325 horsepower, so it's pretty quick. It comes with 77 kilowatt battery which gives you 316 miles range. Well, according to Kia. Talking about the driving of this car, the suspension is a bit hard as it's a sporty car, but it's still very comfortable. Forward visibility is very good. Also there's a regen effect, so when you take your foot off the accelerator, it puts the energy back to the batteries. It does handle the corners really well because of its firm suspension. Cabin is very quiet, so you only hear the minimal noise. Overall, I think it's an absolute amazing EV. So to end the vlog, we're gonna eat some samosa chaat now. And to eat the best samosa chaat in London, there's a place called Spice Village in Hayes. So we just came here to eat samosa chaat to end this video. And I hope you like this video and see you on the next one. Bye for now.